Hi everybody, so this is a question from webwork. It says find the arc length of y is equal to ln of e to power x plus 1 over e to power x minus 1 for a x between a and b. Okay, so just recall that the arc length is definite integral from a to b square root of 1 plus y prime squared dx. Okay, so y prime first of all is equal to derivative of ln of u is 1 over u, so that's e to power x minus 1 over e to power x plus 1 times u prime, for which I use right here the quotient rule, I squared the denominator, e to power x minus 1 squared. Derivative of the numerator is just e to power x, so e to power x minus 1 minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. The derivative of the denominator is e to power x times the numerator, e to power x plus 1. Okay, let's see if I can simplify this. First, I cancel these two. Okay, then I factor e to power x in the numerator, e to power x minus 1 minus e to power x minus 1 over, so I've basically factored these guys, right? And in the denominator I have, in the denominator I have e to power x plus 1 times e to power x minus 1, okay? This leads me to, these two are out, so I have negative 2 e to power x over e to power x plus 1 times e to power x minus 1. Okay, now I square this guy, so 1 plus y prime squared is equal to 1 plus negative 2 e to power x over, now look at this, this is difference of squares, right? A plus b times a plus minus b, which is a squared, e to power x squared is e to power 2x minus 1, the whole thing squared, that's 1 plus 4e to the power of 2x over e to power 2x minus 1 squared. Now bring this under common denominator, that's e to power 2x minus 1 squared, and here you have e to power 2x minus 1 squared plus 4e to power 2x. Okay, now expand this term here, you'll get the following trinomial: 1 plus y prime squared is equal to e to power 4x plus 2 times e to power 2x plus 1. This is minus, I'm sorry, so the minus, because of this minus right here, minus plus 4e to power 2x over e to power 2x minus 1 squared, which is equal to these two. 4e to power 2x minus 2e to power 2x is e to power 4x plus 2e to power 2x plus 1 over e to power 2x minus 1 squared, and this is a perfect square. Okay, so this is one of those questions about arc length where you have to figure out that we're dealing with perfect square. So e to power 2x plus 1 squared over e to power 2x minus 1 squared. And now, because look at the formula, I have to take the square root of that expression, right? If I take here square root, this basically will be e to power 2x plus 1 over e to power 2x minus 1. Okay, and I will leave this for you to finish. How much is L is going to be equal to the definite integral from a to b of e to power 2x plus 1 over e to power 2x minus 1 dx. Okay, so we need to solve this. Okay.